Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. As much as we enjoy cooking, sometimes we're allowed to be a little bit lazy. When we feel that way, we don't want anything too complicated. We want something quick to make without losing any flavor. Sandwiches are a great choice, and here's a delicious one for those lethargic days. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my grilled brie, ham, and pear sandwich. This is such a tasty recipe. It's a sandwich, so of course it's quick and easy to make. But the extra bonus is it's incredibly flavorful. This is deliciously different and original. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we'll prep the pear. So after slicing it in half, we'll take a melon baller and simply scoop out the core. See, just like this, nice and neat. I like to use this tool for a lot of things, like when I want to stuff my mini tomatoes or cupcakes, even shape my truffles with. Anyway, for more great ideas using a melon baller, go to the website. We'll also remove the calyx, which is this part right here, and the stem. Then discard them before we thinly slice the fruit. Next, we'll slice our bread at an angle because it's prettier. And from here, we're ready to assemble. So we'll cover 3 slices with brie cheese before placing the sliced pear. We want to put enough so it covers the cheese. Now, let's not go crazy with it. We don't want to overcrowd. We want something similar to this. The next ingredient we'll add is pomegranate molasses. So we'll go ahead and drizzle some on top of the pear slices. To get this incredible condiment recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then we'll crack some freshly ground black pepper. We'll also add a couple slices of black forest ham, followed by butter lettuce, enough to cover the surface. Now we'll take the other slice of bread and spread generously with Dijon mustard. Same thing, enough to cover the slice. And then we'll place it on top of the lettuce, pressing down gently. Finally, we'll spread butter, but only on one side for now. Alright, so let's move on to the stove. Here's my panini press that I use. It's not electric and I love it. I'll have it forever. Now, if you don't have one, it's okay. Just use a regular skillet. So, on medium heat, we'll place our sandwiches, butter side down, and put the press on top. Otherwise, use a heavy lid. A couple minutes later, we should have some grill marks. So, we'll quickly butter the top slices and carefully flip them over. We'll place the press on and gently push down again. We'll cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until nicely brown. And that's it. We're done. And my friends, this is our grilled brie, ham, and pear sandwich. What a beautiful combination of salty, sweet, and savory, along with the creaminess from the cheese. This sandwich is a bit out of the ordinary, but it's so delicious and easy to make. Within 15 minutes, you can enjoy this scrumptious recipe. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!